Hello, good morning once again to all from Pooja Joshi. Easy English explanation. Let's start the Standard 10th NCERT First Flight Book of First Language English, lesson number 5. The first part, the 100 dresses in that. Today we are going to start with the third video. So, this is the third video related to the lesson. So, for the previous two videos, you have to see my previous two videos which are posted on the YouTube. So let's see the third part. As usual, you will get the word to word, line to line explanation in English as well as Hindi. So without wasting time, you know this story is about a girl who was treated differently by others. Her name was Vanda Petronsky and she was treated differently because her name was different. She was living in a poor locality. She had a peculiar name according to other Americans, and she was teased by Peggy, who was very rich, very pretty, beautiful girl with curls, and she was teased and made fun by this girl, as well as Maddie, who was the inseparable friend of Peggy. So let's start now. यहाँ पे अब तक की कहानी में बताया गया है कि वैंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को बाकी सब गर्ल्स बड़ अलग तरीके से ट्रीट करती थी क्योंकि वो गरीब थी और उसका नाम कुछ अलग था। और न ही केवल ये बात थी, पर बात ऐसी थी कि वो उससे जब भी कोई पूछता था कि तुम्हारे पास कितने ड्रेसेस हैं, तो वह 100 ड्रेसेस बताती थी, 60 शूज़ बताती थी। पर सही बात तो ये थी कि उसके पास सिर्फ एक ब्लू कलर की फेडेड ड्रेस थी। तो इसीलिए सब उसे चिढ़ाते थे, खास करके सबसे पॉपुलर स्कूल की गर्ल पैगी एंड मैडी. So let's start the video 3. As for Maddie, this business of asking Vanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and how many that. So that was bothering her. Maddie was poor herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Thank goodness she didn't live up on boggin sides or have a funny name. So here it is told that Maddie, who was the best and the closest friend of Peggy, was not really bad or cruel, but she was poor. She used to wear hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes means already that clothes were worn by somebody and given to her. If we are wearing and using somebody other's worn out or old clothes or second-hand clothes, then it is called hand-me-down clothes. But she thanked to God that yes, I am not living upon boggin sides, which is a poor locality, or I am not having a funny name. Otherwise, I would also be made fun. Like Vanda Petronsky's fun everybody is making. So the same way they would have mocked at me and made my fun. यहाँ पे मैडी को ये जो बिज़नेस है, ये जो काम है, ये जो गेम है कि जब जो वेंडा से सब पूछते हैं कि तुम्हारे पास कितने ड्रेसेस हैं, कितने हैट्स हैं, कितने शूज़ हैं, कितने ये हैं, कितने वो हैं, उसे ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ही बॉदर करती थी. बॉदरिंग मतलब यहाँ पे चिंतित करती थी, दुखी करती थी, अनॉय करती थी उसको. और वो खुद भी मैडी पुअर थी, वह भी किसी और के दिए हुए कपड़े पहनती थी, पर फिर भी उसने भगवान का शुक्रिया अदा किया कि वह बॉगिन साइट्स में नहीं रहती थी और ना ही उसका कोई फ़नी नेम था. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. अगर उसका भी कोई फ़नी नेम होता तो वो भी चिढ़ाई जाती औरों के द्वारा. Okay, let's see the next one. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Vanda those questions in that mocking, polite voice, Maddie felt that embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Not that she felt sorry for Vanda exactly. She would never have paid any attention to Vanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. But suppose Peggy and all others started in on her next. She wasn't as poor as Vanda, perhaps, but she was poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. So, let's see some of the word meanings. Here, started in on her means they had made her turn next. Made her turn next. Next, they would start to tease. Instead of Enda, they may have tease Maddie. Yes, then next teasing. Yes, then okay. So let's start the explanation. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda about these questions, it was a mocking voice. Mocking here making fun of. Okay, here see mocking. Mocking means to make fun. Here it is written already. Okay, in the mocking polite voice, she was making fun at the same time her voice was polite too. Maddie felt embarrassed. She felt ashamed of herself. She did not feel good because and she started studying the marbles in the palm of her hand. She started rolling here and there with the small colorful stones which they may be playing, and she rolled them around here and there and saying nothing. But she didn't feel sorry for Vanda exactly, but she would have never paid attention to Vanda. But if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game, because the reality is when Peggy used to tease Vanda, then Maddie herself was poor, and she felt suppose they started the same game with her too. Suppose they started this type of mocking, they mocked at her, then what will happen? Maybe the next after Vanda they will tease Maddie. So because of all this, she was worried that she is also poor. Then what will happen? If they started teasing her next, they will begin on her. Begin on her means they will start to tease her next. पैगी जब भी कभी कभार पूछती थी तो मैडी को थोड़ी शर्म फील होती थी, शर्मनाक लगता था उसको, और वह अपने कुछ बोलती नहीं थी पर अपने हाथ में जो कलरफुल छोटे से पत्थर्स हैं रंग बिरंगे उनके साथ वो उन्हें रोल करती रहती थी पर कुछ कहती नहीं थी. ऐसा नहीं था कि उसे वैंडा के लिए कुछ दुख लगता था या ये लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे तब, पर वह ये सोचती थी कि शायद अब नेक्स्ट उसकी टर्न है, हो सकता है कि ये लोग कल उठ के उसे भी चिढ़ाना चालू कर दें, उसे तंग करना चालू कर दें, उसके ऊपर हंसना चालू कर दें, क्योंकि मैडी भी गरीब थी. ये नहीं था कि वो वैंडा के जितनी गरीब है, पर फिर भी गरीब तो थी ही. तो ऑफ कोर्स शी वुड हैव मोर सेंस दैन टू से, शी थॉट कि वो कम से कम ऐसा नहीं कहेगी कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं. इतनी तो उसमें बुद्धि थी, ऐसा उसे लगता था. पर फिर भी उसे ये अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि वह लोग उसे भी चिढ़ाना चालू कर दें. इसीलिए वह चाहती थी कि पैगी वैंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को चिढ़ाना, उसे उसका मजाक उड़ाना बंद कर दे. शी थॉट दैट पैगी शुड नाउ स्टॉप टीजिंग वैंडा पेट्रोन्स्की. लेट्स सी फर्दर. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Vanda. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. 8 times 8, let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say, "Hey Peg, let's stop asking Vanda how many dresses she has." Aaj, here what happens? They were late to school, we all know that day. Now coming to this present day, the situation is there. Maddie was glad that today they had not had to make the fun of Vanda. She started working her maths problems, but she was absent-minded. She was lost in the class. 8 times 8, let's see, and she wished that she had the nerve to. Had the nerve to means had the nerve to. Had the nerve to means she had the guts, she had the courage guts or courage to tell Peggy that please let's stop asking Venda and making fun of Venda. Let's stop that. Because as we know earlier that she is not liking it because she herself was a poor girl. So she thought it would have been good that she could have asked right straight away directly to Peggy and hey Peg, let's stop asking Vanda how many dresses she has. Here it means that on that day in school, what happens? Maddie was glad that she will not make उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाना पड़ेगा और मैडी ये सोच रही थी वो अपना मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम काउंटिंग करते करते गिनते गिनते मैथ्स के सम्स 8 times 8 और हो सकता है अगर वो बहुत विश कर रही थी कि मैं काश मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत होती या मैं कह पाती पैगी को कुछ लिख पाती या फिर पैगी को स्ट्रेट अवे कह पाती कि अब हम स्टॉप कर देते हैं अब से हम वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को नहीं पूछेंगे कि उसके पास कितने ड्रेसेस हैं पर उसे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मेरी हिम्मत नहीं होगी कि मैं पैगी को सीधे सीधे पूछ लूँ या उससे कह पाऊँ कि हम आगे से वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को नहीं पूछेंगे कि उसके पास कितने ड्रेसेस हैं. With this, I would like to end my session today. Let's see you and meet you in the next session soon, as early as possible. Till then, take good care of yourself for the time being. Bye bye. See you. So, with this, we finish the third video of the 100 dresses part 1, lesson number 5. That is third subpart. So, take good care of yourself and do wash your hands regularly, off and on. Be very, very careful in this COVID testing times. So, take care. Bye bye.